The top 5 best Dyson vacuums for effortless home maintenance. Experience the future of home cleaning with Dyson's cutting-edge vacuum technology. In this review, we explore 5 exceptional Dyson vacuums: the Dyson V15 Detect, Dyson Ball Animal 2, Dyson Gen 5 Detect, Dyson Gen 5 Detect, and the Dyson Ball Animal 2. Each of these vacuums offers unique features and powerful cleaning capabilities to help you maintain a pristine home environment effortlessly. Number 5. Dyson V8 Absolute. The Dyson V8 Absolute is a versatile cordless vacuum cleaner designed for comprehensive home cleaning. It features a powerful digital V8 motor that provides efficient suction, allowing you to effectively clean various surfaces in your home. With a runtime of up to 40 minutes, it offers ample cleaning time before needing a recharge. Additionally, this vacuum incorporates a whole machine HEPA filtration system, ensuring that it captures even the finest particles, making it suitable for homes with allergy concerns. Furthermore, the V8 Absolute can quickly transform into a handheld cleaner, providing added flexibility to tackle various cleaning tasks around your home. Number 4. Dyson Gen 5 Detect. The Dyson Gen 5 Detect is yet another remarkable cordless vacuum cleaner in the Dyson lineup. It's designed with powerful suction capabilities and advanced sensors that adapt to different floor types, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning in your home. The inclusion of an LCD screen offers real-time performance data, allowing you to monitor and optimize your cleaning process. Furthermore, its hygienic point-and-shoot bin emptying system simplifies maintenance, making it a convenient and efficient choice for keeping your home clean and tidy. Number 3. Dyson Gen 5 Detect. I apologize for any confusion, but as of my last knowledge update in September 2021, I'm not aware of a Dyson vacuum cleaner model called Dyson Gen 5 Detect. Dyson does regularly introduce new models with advanced features, so it's possible that this is a newer model that was released after my last update. To get accurate and up-to-date information about the Dyson Gen 5 Detect or any other Dyson vacuum cleaner, I recommend visiting Dyson's official website or contacting their customer support. They can provide you with detailed specifications, features, and pricing for the latest models available. Number 2. Dyson Ball Animal 2. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning, especially in homes with pets and high-traffic areas. Here are some of its key features. Powerful suction. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 boasts exceptionally strong suction, making it highly effective at removing dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its motorized brush bar agitates and lifts stubborn dirt and debris with ease. Self-adjusting cleaner head. This vacuum cleaner comes equipped with a self-adjusting cleaner head that automatically adapts to different floor types. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, or tile, it maintains optimal contact with the surface for thorough cleaning. Hygienic bin emptying. Emptying the dustbin is a simple and hygienic process. With the push of a button, the collected dirt and debris are released directly into your trash can, minimizing your contact with the mess. In summary, the Dyson Ball Animal 2 is a reliable and powerful vacuum cleaner designed to handle the challenges of homes with pets and heavy foot traffic. Its strong suction, self-adjusting cleaner head, and pet-specific accessories make it a top choice for pet owners. Additionally, Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. In addition to its laser dust detection technology, the Dyson V15 Detect also features a high-torque cleaner head that can adapt to different floor types. This means it can seamlessly transition from cleaning carpets to hard floors without any manual adjustments. The LCD screen on the vacuum cleaner provides valuable real-time data about your cleaning session. It shows you the amount and size of particles it has detected, giving you a clear picture of how effective your cleaning is. This feedback allows you to ensure that no dirt or dust is left behind. Overall, the Dyson V15 Detect is a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution for your home, making the chore of vacuuming more efficient and effective.